In this video, we are going to see how we can make a private server in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox, or basically in any game of Roblox. It's a pretty straightforward process on how we can do it on a mobile. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just search for the game that you want to create the private server of. You click on Steal A Brainrot. So once you have this open, you click on that. And basically don't click on the play button. You will scroll down a little bit until you see the option of servers. It's right here. You click on that, and from here we get the option of creating a private server. So you click on create and click on create again, and now our private server is created. Now just remember guys that right now it is free for the time being, but you will see the price of that server creation right here. So every month the price will be charged to keep the private server running. Now if you want to edit this server, for example, Saad N315 is the server name. We click on this pencil icon to edit that, and we can edit the server name to any name, Brainrot server. Change the name. Now you can go back and you can start playing it by clicking the button. If you want to add some people, we will head over to the servers. Click on edit, and basically we click on add the server members. We will write the name of the person we want to add, and we click on add like this, and that's how we can add our friend to the server game. You can also generate the private server link from here. You click on generate and you can send it to someone which you want this game to be joined. So now we have added a friend or a couple of friends in the server to play the game with us. We head over back to the main server page and click on join, and that's how you can start playing the game along with your friends on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.